Hello everyone and welcome back to Speak Real Arabic. My name is Ozzy and I'm from Damascus, Syria. Today we're hitting Syrian terms of endearment or Alqab al-Dala part 2. If you haven't seen our first video on Syrian terms of endearment, you can watch it through the link in the description. So, every culture has its own cute little words you can say to people you love. Syria is not that different, no matter what the internet says. In our last video, I mentioned some endearing yet absurd terms Syrians use to show love or affection. Most of those have to do with dying somehow. What can I say? We're a cheery bunch. Today, I'll be talking about a few more terms that also has to do with death. Before we jump in though, go ahead and click that subscribe button and ring the bell icon. Sellouts. It'll mean a lot to us and will motivate us to do some more awesome content for you out there. Alright then, let's go ahead and jump in with the first one, which is Mootfeek. I'm gonna repeat that, Mootfeek. Now this is a little bit tricky to translate. It can mean I die for you, but that's not quite what it literally means. If I'm gonna translate this exactly, it means I die by you, which we actually say to mean that my love for you is so strong that one day it will lead to my ultimate demise. It's quite lovely, no? Just, classic, clean-cut family fun. Another one that's quite interesting and pretty similar to the previous one is بموت بالأرض يلي بتمشي عليها. This one is kind of hard to pronounce, so I'm just gonna say it again a little bit slowly. بموت بالأرض يلي بتمشي عليها. If you translate this literally, you'd get something like I die on the ground on which you tread. Poetic, right? This means that I love you so much that anywhere you go becomes sacred ground for me. Or it means that I'm jealous of the ground you walk on because it gets to touch you. I am telling you, if you haven't dated a Syrian yet, you gotta jump on that. You'll never be loved the same way by anyone else. It's fantastic. What can I say? All right. The last, let's call them deathly loving term I want to hit today is بحبك موت. I particularly love this one because it has such an awesomely deep meaning. You see, literally it translates to I love you to death, but it means so much more. You see, in Syrian culture, death is not the end. And many believe that even in death, you're reunited with those whom you love in heaven. So this term, بحبك موت, means that our love is so strong that it'll endure even after death. So you know what? Keep your till death do us apart nonsense to yourself, please. We're there even after that. So, that's all I wanted to talk to you guys today. I hope you liked it. If you like this, don't forget to go watch the first one about Syrian terms of endearment. You will find it in the link below. And again, please give us that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I know you have, but hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Sellouts. Thank you so much for watching. And if there's anything you want to know about Syrian culture or you're curious, you want us to talk about anything, please let us know in the comments. Again, I'm Ozzy and I hope to see you all soon. Have a good day.